What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new candy review for Geo is Snacking, and today I got the new Starburst Airs. Yep, that's right. And if you're a fan of reviews of new and/or limited edition candy, snacks, drinks, fast food, whatever, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I drop a new video every Tuesday and every Friday. And be sure, stick around to the end because I score these snacks. So what will I score these Starburst Airs? I don't know. You have to wait to the end to find out. Because right now, I don't even know. But yeah, moving on to these Starburst Airs. This was actually something I found while I was in Walmart, I believe. Yeah, Walmart, because like I was going around as usual, you know the story, going around doing my regular grocery shopping at Walmart, moving the buggy around across all the aisles, and of course, snack aisle, candy aisle, I see new Starburst, I'm like, that's interesting, new Starburst, and then I was like, oh, it's the same flavors, but it's like a different type of candy. It's not the regular traditional Starburst you see in a little bar by the checkout aisle. It's actually something new, which is surprising because that's rare for Starburst. But yeah, so on the bag it says Airs, and I'm guessing because it also says on the bag soft and squishies. So I'm guessing, they're trying to be like Skittles. You know how Skittles had the gummies, the Skittles gummies, which is, in my opinion, better than actual Skittles. You should watch that video. I'll have it up here. But moving back to Starburst, of course, they're keeping with the original flavors, which I respect. The thing with Starburst, they love sticking with their 4 flavors. And I'll say it again, pink, worst out of the all 4. But enough of that. So moving on to the nutritional facts. So looking at these nutritional facts right here, so you got 4 servings per container, per bag basically, and 6 pieces is a serving. So 6 pieces is 100 calories. That's wild. Let me see, if you do a quick count up, it's about like, I guess like 20 something calories a piece. Who's counting? I'm not counting. But also 0 grams of fat, 55 milligrams of sodium, 24 grams of carbs, 20 grams of sugar, 20 grams of added sugar, and 1 gram of protein. So enough of that. Let's go ahead, dive right in to this. Easy slide open. Here we go. I'm gonna try to get one of each color. Of course, the smell is strong and the smell is good. I smell it already. Of course, I smell the yellow. Let's see. I'm trying to find a red. And where's my orange at? They better not do me dirty. I know that I see an orange in there. I think they only gave me 1 orange out this whole entire bag. No, they gave me 2. Actually, well, I'm dumping them all out so I can count how many you get in the bag, right? So you get, let me see. Don't mind me, I'm counting, It's just, putting them all in a thing so where I can easily count all of them. You see, because how many Starbursts do you get in a regular package? You get about like 12 or 16, I believe. I think. So, someone leave a comment so I can remember, or I'll look it up. I'll probably put in editing or something. So let me see. 8, 12, 16. So I got 29. I got 29 in here, so that's not bad, But I only got 2 orange, and that's a sad thing because they gave me a lot of pink. and pink is the worst flavor out of all these four. But let me go ahead and try these and see if they taste like the actual Starburst themselves. So I'm starting with red. Here we go. No, actually, let's start with red. That's weird. Okay, so the texture, don't think, okay, if I'm comparing this to the Skittles gummies, because that was recently new also, don't think of it like, think of it as the texture feels more like a marshmallow than like a regular gummy candy, which is weird. And it makes the taste a little weird also, because you're trying to like configure the texture with the taste. In the red one, it tastes similar. I say, like, I would think it would be a, like, the tad is a bit off, but it tastes like like the red Starburst. But let me go ahead and let me try the orange right here. Okay, you got that orange taste. I think because it's like not in the regular candy Starburst form, it loses the impact of, like, you know, in the Starburst commercials and the branding and the marketing and stuff, they're like, it's juicy, feel the juice when you chew it or whatever. It sort of loses that impact because it's in this new gummy airy form. You don't get as much of a burst of flavor as you do as opposed to regular Starburst. So let me move on to yellow. Okay, so you still got that flavor. It's like yellow has the tiniest bit of burst. I feel with like yellow, like, so if you want to know something, like with Starburst, you can really tell if Starburst knocks down the flavor if they put it in a different product. For example, like the Starburst gum, if they can get the yellow flavor correctly, because it's not hard to replicate that yellow flavor in terms for Starburst themselves. You either hit it or you completely like not even get close to the flavor. Because with the Starburst gum, it was like they had it at first, but they completely lost it with the aftertaste. But for this, they knocked it down. But just like what I said with the orange one, like that burst, that pop of the flavor really isn't there, and it sort of like loses the effect of the Starburst flavor overall. So let's go ahead and get the pink, the last one right here. Okay. Pink had, I would say out of all four, pink had the most flavor, the most juicy juice flavor out of all four, which is good. But like just like overall, it's not satisfying as a candy. It's like I wouldn't go back. And to that I say, like, I put this as like a pass, because it's like it's more of like a marshmallow than a gummy. And I know it says soft and airy, but I wasn't expecting like a marshmallow texture to it. And second, the flavors aren't fully there, and it just like eating this just makes me want to have a regular Starburst instead. I know it's easier to chew since it's a gummy, but it's not like Starbursts aren't now and laters. They're, you know, they're chewable. You know, they might have some hardness to it because it's not like a gummy candy, but it's not that difficult to chew a regular Starburst. And so in terms of scoring for these, I'm gonna go with the 6 for them reasons provided. It's not something I would go back to. Like, you know, the flavor is there a little bit, but it's just not for me. It's like, nah, it's like when they drop something new, like for example, they drop this, I should be like, no, I don't want regular Starburst. I should want to eat this. It's just like when I had the Skittles gummies. it's like I had the Skittles gummies and I was like instantly like, ooh, I would rather have Skittles gummies than actual Skittles. That's how good that product was when they launched Skittles gummies. And I just feel like these Starburst Airs gummies doesn't hit on that same level that the Skittles gummies did. So yeah, 6 for my score, and that was my review of the Starburst Airs gummies. If you like that, like this video and be sure to hit the subscribe. I drop a new video every Tuesday and every Friday. So until next time, this is Jeffrey with Geo with Snacking, and I am out.